Let us jump into the problem straight. We need to add the numbers of the linked list. Let's say we have a linked list 4 and 5. This is considered as 45, and 3, 4, 5. This is considered as 345, and the resultant sum is 390. We need to check about the things called carry, where let's say this is 5 plus 5, and we have a carry called 1, and this is going to be 10. So we are going to add 0 here. So we just need to traverse in the reverse direction. So let us do one thing. Let us reverse the two linked lists to save some space. So let me write a reverse function quick. Here is our function. We quickly wrote it. If you have any doubts, please go through this again. Let us take the head as L1 because we are going to modify the list 1, and let us take the prev because we need to add the remaining list if one is greater than the other. So let us quickly reverse the lists here. L num1 reverse and num2. These are called L1 and this is L2. Let's add this line below, and let us quickly write a function. Sorry, let's quickly while loop while L1 and L2. Let us take the initial carry be 0. So let us modify the L1 data to the carry plus L1 data plus L2 data, and we need to modify the let us keep this as sum so, and let us modify the L1 dot data to the so %10 because we get values greater than 10 sometimes, and let us take the carry be so by 10. So we cancel the unit place value and keep the pointers moving. L1 dot next, L2 equal to L2 dot next. So initially this works for the values L1 and L2 lengths be equal. So if they are not equal, we need to check some conditions. If L1 is not none and L2 is not none, we need to keep track of the L1. Let's add a prev, and if L2 is not none, we'll just move the prev dot next to the L2. That means we append the entire list, and if this is still not none L1, we'll do the same process that we done here but with only L1. Here in the while loop we wrote the same while loop here, but for L1, and after that if we get any carry greater than 0, we'll just make the prev dot next equal to new node of C, and in the end let us reverse the head, and let us handle the recurring zeros while head dot data double equal to 0. We'll just move on from the head, and let us submit this as we have less time to check if this works. We are successfully solved this with less space. All you need to do is reverse them and calculate the sum and handle the carry. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.